building tabletop RPG characters with PCGen, and have D20 character sheet files. These contain detailed character data for D20 system games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these PCGen character sheet files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful D2.0 file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A character sheet file created by PCGen, an open-source character generator for tabletop role-playing games like Dungeons & Dragons, which uses the D20 system. Users create and save these files to manage their characters' stats, skills, inventory, and abilities, making it a digital record for their gaming sessions. The file is typically a structured text or XML-based format, designed for easy parsing and modification. It contains key value pairs or tagged data representing every aspect of a character sheet. This human-readable design allows for interoperability and potential editing outside the main application. PCGen open source community endorses PCGen as the main tool for handling D2.0 files. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows displays only the file shell, so full interpretation must occur in game-related applications. We are checking system compatibility. Right-click your D2.0 file and hit Open With. If PCGen is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, any other listed program will work for the test. If your D2.0 file will not open yet, do not panic. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in PCGen. Download PCGen from pcgen.org, available for Windows, macOS, and Linux as a Java application. Launch PCGen and load the appropriate game dataset for your system. Use File then. Open selecting the D20 file. The character loads with all stats, class features, and equipment displayed in the character editor. Next, printing character sheets. Use PCGen's character sheet output features to print or export the character to PDF, HTML, or other formats for use during gameplay. Multiple character sheet templates support various RPG systems and player preferences. The exported sheets provide professional-looking references for tabletop sessions independent of PCGen software. Finally, sharing characters. Share D20 character files with other PCGen users or with game masters running campaigns. Recipients open the files in their PCGen installations with matching datasets, producing identical character representations. This facilitates character sharing for online play campaign administration and character backup across game group members. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.